Today we're gonna be installing Mac kick lifters for this guy. Mac kick lifter sponsor me. So we're gonna do a little fix right here. As you guys can see, there's a gap right here. If you guys haven't noticed, we got new rims, J-Max 16x7. These are discontinued wheels and they don't make these no more. Today's sponsor goes out to Mac kick lifters. Shows right there, Mac kick lifters. They sent me a sticker with a keychain band, Mac kick lift kit, and an M back there. So they even provided hardware for the kit. This one is the one we're gonna be using for the front. First things first, we're gonna pop the hood open and take out the bumper. Alright, so for the next part, this little plastic tab from the fenders, you're gonna take this out, and there's gonna be a 10 nut right here, and you're gonna have to take that one out too.
You made this.
Already done it. Just go ahead and line it up as best as you can. From here, get a Sharpie or a pencil and mark your 2 holes, and you'll drill these 2 holes.
Young K, you made this. Young K, you made this. Young K, you made this.
We got it on. Here it is, 1 screw, the 2nd screw. Look at that difference. It closed the whole gap. Alright, so we are finished with the Mac kick lift. And look at the difference between the gaps. That's some real magic right there, guys, from Mac kick lifter. Look at the other side. It's nice and flush. Very nice. Shout out Mac kick lifters for sponsoring me for this and sending it in for me. Make sure you guys go check them out.
Young K, you made this.